Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to share your live location using WhatsApp. So first, you want to open your WhatsApp and then click on the person or the group chat that you want to send your location at. And then you want to click this plus sign on the lower left side of your screen. And then click location. And then right now, you can see your location. This is your live location, so you just want to click share live location, and here you can choose how long they can have the access on this link. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose 1 hour and then click send, and there you have it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.